all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see some nice casual wear collections again. A very different pattern and very different designs. We are going to see some chanderi material, some cotton slub material. We have some cotton linen mix. This video is again going to be a mixed variety of saris, but very pretty collections, all going to be very nice, which you can wear for the summer also. These materials is going to be completely a summer wear collections also. You can really wear these things in summer, like no, you don't need to starch. It's an easy maintenance saris also. And it's all in a very budget friendly price. Before seeing the saris, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the saris now. It's a lovely cotton linen sari, a very nice material and a beautiful design, very pastel shade, a beautiful lovely light baby pink. It's a silver zari border. Both the sides we have silver zari, and one side it's a bigger border, on the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body it's a silver butta weaving which has been running along the sari, which makes the sari very subtle and beautiful. And I'll show you the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 850. We have some lovely pastel shades in this sari. I'll show you the other colors. Next is a nice light lime yellow, very light yellow, more of a sandal shade. In that it's a silver butta, beautifully weaved in the sari, very pretty one. And one side is a big border, on the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body we have butta. And the pallu is a simple pallu, line pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 850. I'll show you the other colors in the same pattern. Next is a beautiful peach color, very pretty shade. All the shades in the saris are very nice, lovely pastel shades. Peach in that silver butta, same side. It's a big border on one side, and the other side it's a small border. A very nice design. Next is a light powder blue, very light blue, very nice color. Bottom part it's a slightly a bigger border, on the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful silver weaved butta which is running along the sari. A nice print, very nice print. And the price of the sari is 850. And we have one more color combination in the same pattern. That's a light pista green. Very beautiful shades these colors are. A pista green in that silver butta, nice shade. And we have one more design in the same pattern. I'll show you the other design. This is a small zari border on both the sides. I'll show you the border. In this pattern, both the sides we have small borders. A nice design. Both the sides we have small border. It's a lovely powder blue color, very subtle and beautiful English shades. And throughout the body we have a silver butta which has been weaved along the sari. And the pallu of the sari is a simple line pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and blouse is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 850. In this also we have other colors. I'll show you the colors. Next is again a light pista green. It's a small zari border on both the sides, silver zari, a nice design. I'll show you the body. It's the body of the sari. A very pretty design and a pretty color. The next is a light sandal. It's neither yellow nor sandal, in between shade actually. This is a very pretty shade. Both the sides it's a small zari border, beautiful pattern. The next is a nice peach, And peach in a silver zari looks very, very classy and very nice. These colors are just rocking, beautiful ones. This is a peach color. And then next comes a baby pink, very, very pretty pink. Beautiful baby pink, nice shade. And the pallu is, again I'll show you a pallu in this. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 850. It's a lovely Bengal handloom sari. It's a mixed variety. It's a cotton mix variety. Very, very flowy material and a beautiful design. It's a checks pattern design. Throughout the body we have a beautiful checks pattern. On both the sides we have a contrast border in orange, and throughout the body it's a small checks pattern design, and it's a completely weave design. A very, very beautiful one. Very intricate design. This is the pallu of the sari. A nice pallu. And the blouse of the sari is in contrast navy blue color. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 910. We have some lovely amazing color combinations in this sari. I'll show you the other colors. Next comes a beautiful beige with red combo. Nice material and a very different color shades, and the blouses are very classy. It's contrast, a beige with red combination, and the body is the same. It's a small checks pattern, and the pallu of the sari is this nice pallu, and a contrast black blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 910. I'll show you the other color. Next comes a lovely black with red. Wow combination, wow color. This is the body of the sari, a nice black with red checks pattern handloom cotton sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is again a beautiful contrast beige color, and the price of the sari is 910. The next is a light grey, a grey combo with red checks, a beautiful lovely design. Very, very pretty one. It's a very, very light grey, nice light grey, beautiful design. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is black, and the price of the sari is 910. Next is a nice navy blue with red combo, nice combination. This is the body of the sari. This is the pallu, a lovely design, and a very, very contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 910. It's a beautiful, lovely material, a cotton linen sari, very, very flowy material, and a nice pattern. In this type of design we have seen a different design before in this material. Now it's a beautiful small design border. Both the sides it's an ikat border in the borders, and throughout the body it's a completely plain one. This is a very, very subtle green, very soft elaichi green, very light shade. This is a very pretty design. This is the pallu of the sari, ikat pallu, but these are all printed ones. It's not weaved, it's all printed designs. And the blouse of the sari is the running blouse, and the price of the sari is 850. We have some nice lovely colors in this. I'll show you the other colors. Pretty colors in this design. Look at this color, a very, very beautiful color. It's a light peachish pink, very, very pretty color combination, a very beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pallu, and this is the body of the sari, a beautiful color. The next is a nice green, lovely green, nice design and nice color, a beautiful green. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari. Whenever I show you the body of the sari, please take a screenshot then. And the price of the sari is 850. A nice flowy material. These materials will be very ideal for you for the summer. You can wear it for the summer. It's all cotton linen mix only, so it's soft and very nice. This is nice rust color with black combination, lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari. It's a very pretty design, like looks very classy. The next is a mustard with a black combination, lovely combination. Beautiful one. A mustard with black, pretty design. This is the pallu of the sari, a nice design. This is the body of the sari. The next is a onion pink, very very nice shade. Onion pink with black, nice design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the body of the sari is this, a nice shade. The next is a light lime yellow. All the color combination in this pattern are very very nice and pretty combinations. Beautiful one, light lime yellow with black combo. This is the body of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. And for all these saris, the blouses are running. Blouse in the body color. The price of the sari is 850. The next is the fawn color. Fawn with black combo. This is the body of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, a nice pallu. A fawn with black combo. All the colors in this design are very classy colors and very English shades. It's a light green, more of an elaichi green or probably a mehendi green. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the body of the sari. The next is a nice blue with black combo, a lovely combo, beautiful design. A blue with black combo, look classy. It's the pallu of the sari, very very pretty combination, lovely design, and all these saris are priced at 850. This is a nice slub cotton material. It's a mixture of cotton and chanderi mixed sari. Slightly a stiff sari. It's not too flowy, but you can easily drape it. It's not too stiff, but slightly stiffer than very flowy material. It's a lovely batik pattern design. Both the sides we have a khadi border, the border is been just weaved along with the sari, not a very bright bright border. This is a mehendi green with a black combination. A beautiful batik design which has been running along the sari. A nice design. And the pallu of the sari is in batik, black color batik. And the classy part is the blouse of the sari is a beautiful line pallu. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 780. We have some nice combinations in this. I'll show you the other color combinations. The next is a sapphire green with a navy blue combination, a different combination, a nice combination. Sorry. This is the body of the sari, green with blue, and this is the pallu of the sari, a nice color combo. Next is a mustard with dark brown. This is the body of the sari, a mustard with a brown combo, and this is the pallu of the sari. A beautiful color combinations. Body of the sari. Next is a pink with dark coffee brown. This is the body of the sari, pink with dark coffee brown color. And this is the pallu of the sari, a nice pallu and a very beautiful color combos. Next is again a rust with dark coffee brown, and all the saris are priced at 780. This is the body of the sari, nice beautiful rust with dark brown combination, very different combination this is. This is the pallu of the sari, and last a lovely red with dark brown combination, beautiful color combination. Lots of people ask this color combination in cotton batik linen batik sari, but this time the material is quite different. This is slub cotton, lovely design. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 780. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the collections. It's also very beautiful and budget friendly and nice different collections. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.